Hi, I'm Blessing. And hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Swagger Blessing or Simply Bee, and this is my very first or my introductory video. Thank you. So yeah, I've been wanting to do this for a long time, and I'm just so excited that I'm finally here. So let me tell a little about me. Yeah, so I'm from Nigeria and I'm currently living in Nigeria. So funny thing, my tech journey did not actually start in design. It did not. Yeah, so I actually started in front-end development. That was in 2020, and it was mostly self-learning. I had a few friends coach me here and there, but after about a year I just reached the conclusion that front-end development was not for me. Yeah, it wasn't for me. I wasn't getting the satisfaction and the fulfillment that I actually needed from something that was going to be like my career path. So I had to stop, and then someone introduced me to product design, and I was like, okay, this makes sense. This looks like something that I'd want to do. And I did a 6 months internship during my IT. If you live in Nigeria, you understand that a year before you graduate, you actually have to do like an internship or IT or something. So yeah, so in my 6 months, I actually went to Abakoda's Academy. It's an initiative of Asplus Foundation. So yeah, I actually did 6 months with them, learned product design. It gave me a very, very, very strong foundation. I'm not gonna lie. It gave me a very strong foundation in product design. And since then, I've been self-learning, I've been building, I've been growing, and it's just been fun. Now, because I was self-learning most of the time, I actually, had a lot of problems with navigating, like what am I supposed to learn, where am I supposed to focus on. So now that I'm a product designer and I've somehow figured some things out, I want to also help others to learn, to grow, and to just navigate this path more easily, right? While I also track my own growth, right? I'm also going to be tracking my growth, and I'm also going to be sharing my journey with everybody else. So the reason I started this channel is I've seen people struggle with it. A lot of people have asked me, "Oh, Blessing, I want to be a product designer. How do I learn this stuff? How do I start? Where do I focus on?" And all of that. And I was like, you know what? Let me just start this so I can answer those questions and help others as well, and also track my growth, right? And also track my growth. So that's why we're here. We're all here to learn, to grow, to share our journey, and I'm so glad to have you on this journey with me. So what would you expect from this channel? Let's talk about that. From this channel, I will be sharing some UI UX tips here and there, from design principles to case studies. I'm going to be sharing it with us. I'm also going to be sharing some behind the scenes of my journey, my wins, my struggles, my losses, my lessons, a bit of everything, right? And I'm also going to be sharing some hands-on tutorials, some quick tricks, that I've picked up along the way, that's just going to make your design process a lot easier. I'm also going to be sharing some career growth and advice. I'm currently working as the lead product designer at Eloni, so I think I know a bit about career and all. So I'm going to be sharing some advice, and also advice lessons that I pick along the way. I'm also going to be sharing how to build your portfolio, how to stand out. I'm also going to be sharing. So this channel is actually all about learning, growing, supporting each other in the tech space. And I'd also like to hear from you. I want to get to know you, so drop a comment below. Tell me your name, tell me where you're from, tell me where you're currently residing. Let's just start a conversation, okay? Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to someone you think should be on this journey with you. All right, thank you so much for watching. I really cannot wait to get into this with you all. Thank you. Bye.